What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Union Bank Best Credit Card. Ano-ano nga ba yung pinaka-the best credit card ni Union Bank? Kasi maraming credit card si Union Bank. Kaya naman ngayon, when it comes to choosing best credit card for you, it depends upon your lifestyle. Kasi kung mahilig ka mag-travel, mahilig ka kumain sa labas, mahilig ka sa cashbacks, mahilig ka sa rewards. Kaya naman, may best credit card for you mula sa Union Bank. At saka pag-uusapan din natin guys yung annual fees kasi the more na maganda yung perks and benefits ng credit card na yun, of course, may annual fee yun at mas mataas yun kung mas maraming perks and benefits na ino-offer si Union Bank credit card na yun. Pag-uusapan natin kung ano nga ba yung dapat mong isaalang-alang in choosing best Union Bank credit card. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa ito channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, based on data, the best Union Bank credit card depends on your spending habits as they offer top-tier choices for rewards, cashback, and no annual fee, no hassle options. So, as I have just mentioned earlier, it depends upon your lifestyle, no? Kung paano ka gumastos, paano mo gamitin yung credit cards na yon, ano yung gusto mo sa buhay, something ganyan. Top Union Bank credit cards by category. Best for no annual fees and flexibility is Union Bank U Visa Platinum or yung U Platinum Mastercard. Ito yung as-is na no annual fee credit card ni Union Bank. Pag in-apply mo, tapos na-approve ka, dumating sa bahay nyo, pagka-activate, automatic yun, no annual fee for life. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-spend ng certain amount, like yung ibang credit cards, di ba, kailangan nyo muna mag-spend ng 20,000 within 60 days. Itong U Visa at saka yung U Platinum Mastercard is hindi mo na kailangan gawin yun. Pagka-activate, pagka-apply, pagka-activate, automatic siya. No annual fee. Highlights, no annual fees for life, no conditions tulad ng sabi ko. No over-limit fees, no late fees, and 10% interest cashback on timely payments. So, no over-limit fees at saka no late fees. So, meaning, kapag nag-over-limit kayo, when we say over-limit guys, sumobra yung spending ninyo. So, wala rin siyang late payment fees. So, maganda ito. Then, 10% interest cashback pa on timely payments. Best for all rewards, Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum Credit Card. So when it comes to rewards naman, itong Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum Credit Card is the best. Yung highlights niya is 3 times points on shopping and dining, local and abroad. 1 point per 30 pesos spend and flexible redemption options. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, 3 times yung points na ma-earn nyo kapag ginamit mo siya pang shopping at saka pang dining. When we say dining, kapag ginamit mo sa restaurant, ganyan, mapa-local man yan or abroad. Local dito sa Pilipinas, abroad is outside the Philippines. Then 1 point per 30 pesos spend and flexible redemption options. Then next natin guys is best for cashback. Union Bank Cashback Visa Platinum Credit Card. So, ito naman yung credit card ni Union Bank na best for cashback. Kung mahilig kayo na, di ba, nag-swipe kayo, tapos binayaran ninyo, ibabalik yung ibang amount. Something ganyan. Kaya, mas maganda to kung gusto nyo na mabawasan yung bills ninyo on the next billing cycle. Highlights, up to 6% rebate on supermarket purchases, 2% on Meralco, and 1% on the retail, on the other retail, with no caps on total cashback. So, di yung maganda guys kasi wala siyang cap. So, may ibig sabihin wala siyang limit. Kung magkano yung inabot mo, magkano yung spend mo, yun talaga yun. Hindi tulad ng iba, di ba, na parang may certain amount lang, then stop na. Ito siya, 6% sa supermarket purchases. O, di ba, malaki yung 6%. Then, 2% sa Meralco, yung sa kuryente, ganyan. Then, 1% on other retail. Then, best for travel and perks. Union Bank Miles Plus World Mastercard Visa Signature. Ito naman yung para sa mga mahilig mag-travel abroad. Kasi, nakikita nyo naman is Union Bank Miles Plus World Mastercard. When we say miles, it includes flights, free tickets, then world, so outside the Philippines, or it is pertaining to around the world. Highlights, earn 1 mile for every 30 pesos spend, never expiring miles, and complimentary access to airport VIP lounges. So, ito naman yung maganda kasi every 30 pesos you spend, 1 mile siya. Tapos no expiration yon. Then, complimentary access to airport VIP lounges. So, before your flight, pwede mo na kayo mag-relax doon sa airport lounge na yon. Pwede kayo kumain, pwede kayo maligo, pwede kayo magpahinga. Ganon. Best for specific retailers. S&R Visa Platinum is 3% rebates on S&R purchases and free S&R pizza for high spenders. Ito yung maganda guys sa S&R kasi from the word itself, S&R Visa Platinum. So kung mahilig kayo sa S&R purchases, sa pizza, S&R pizza, 3% yung rebates niya and then may free siyang S&R pizza para sa mga malalaki yung ginagastos doon. Di ba? Libre na yung pizza mo. Lazada Credit Card. 6 Lazada credits per 200 pesos spend at Lazada plus free shipping voucher. So ito naman yung maganda, Lazada credit card from the word itself, Lazada. So meaning, ito ay may enjoy mo in using Lazada shopping or online shopping. Then yeah, let's talk about the annual fees, no? Card is yung View Visa Platinum is no fees siya. Good siya for beginners. No annual fees. Then yung Rewards Visa Platinum naman is general spending, 2,500 yung annual fee. When we say annual fee, every year ito charge sa statement of account ninyo. Cashback Visa Platinum, Supermarket and Bills, 4,500 yung annual fee niya. Then Miles Plus World Signature is good siya for travelers, 5,000 naman yung annual fee niya. Then ngayon, ano nga ba yung dapat nyo i-consider kapag pipili kayo ng Best Union Bank Credit Card? So, ito yung kailangan nyo malaman, guys. If you want no fees ever, pick the U card, which is yung U Visa Union Bank Credit Card o tsaka yung U Mastercard. If you want rewards for everyday spending, pick the Rewards Card. So, yung Rewards Cards naman yung pipiliin mo. Then, if you shop groceries often, pick the Cashback Card. So, itong Cashback Card, kung mahilig kayo sa supermarket, bibili kayo, then you can go for groceries. You can go for credit card which is cashback cards. Dito guys, guys ko lang malaman ninyo na may note dito. Application requirements and rewards such as welcome guests up to 5,000 pesos are subject to change. Kasi minsan guys, may mga welcome cashback sila which is mag-spend kayo ng amount tapos babalik yung 5,000. Depende yan, paiba-iba yan. So minsan, nagbabago yan ang hindi nyo alam, kaya naman baka kayong magulat kayo tapos hindi naman nangyari. Nagbabago kasi yan paminsan-minsan. Tapos ito guys, tip ko lang na halimbawa may hinahabol kayong spending requirements para sa cashback. Take note lang guys na dapat kakayanin yung bayaran yung statement of accounting nyo at the end of the month or every billing cycle. Kasi kapag hindi nyo nabayaran ng buo yung statement balance, accrued yun. When we say accrued, maiipon. Kapag puro kayo minimum amount due, on the next billing cycle, papatungan ng 3% yung natitirang balance doon. So, tuloy-tuloy yun hanggat hindi nyo nababayaran ng buo yung statement balance ng Union Bank credit card ninyo. Kaya naman, be mindful in spending, guys, using your Union Bank credit card kasi kapag hindi nyo na-manage yung finances ninyo, tuloy-tuloy lang nalulubo yung balance nyo sa credit card at mahihirapan kayong bumangon at the end of the day. Mahirap kasi guys kapag malaki yung utang natin sa credit card kasi kapag hindi nyo nabayaran yan, ipapasa nila sa collection agency tapos masisira yung record natin sa CIC which is yung Credit Card Information Corporation. Then mahihirapan na kayo kumuha ng future loans at credit cards. Hindi na kayo ma-approve. So I think that's all for now sa namin na i-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!